Drug. Prescription, the drug requiring a prescription, as opposed to an over-the-counter drug, which can be purchased without one. The word prescription comes from the Latin prescriptio, compounded from pre before plus scribere, to write equals to write before. Historically, a prescription was written before the drug was prepared and administered. A prescription has several parts. There are the superscription or heading with the symbol R or Rx, which stands for the word recipe, meaning in Latin to take, the inscription which contains the names and quantities of the ingredients, the subscription or directions for compounding the drug, and the signature, which is often preceded by the sign S standing for signet, mark, giving the directions to be marked on the container. Seen on a prescription, the ID means twice, 2 times a day. It is an abbreviation for bis in die, which in Latin means, not too surprisingly, twice a day. The abbreviation BID is sometimes written without a period, either in lowercase letters as BID or in capital letters as BID. However it is written, it is one of a number of hallowed abbreviations of Latin terms that have been traditionally used in prescriptions to specify the frequency with which medicines should be taken. Other examples include QD or QD is once a day. QD stands for quaque die, which means, in Latin, once a day. TID or TID is 3 times a day. TID stands for ter in die in Latin, 3 times a day. QID or quid is 4 times a day. QID stands for quarter in die in Latin, 4 times a day. Q_.